Hey everybody, Chris here at Ujoint again. Wrapping up SoCal 7.3. It's a pretty awesome build here. The van came out of Ohio and it's headed to California. It's actually leaving in a few days on transport to go get the interior built. And then the customer will hopefully be enjoying it by, I don't know, March or April. So yeah, I want to start this video by saying I am not trying to be a YouTuber. Just want to make that clear with everyone. I do these videos as if I was giving a tour to you or the customer if you're standing right next to me, and that's it. So you're never going to see much more production value than this. I apologize if you're looking for somebody who wants to shoot something with a gimbal and fancy music and blah blah blah. It's not going to be me. So with that said, this is a 2002 E350 7.3 diesel. It's got our 6-inch lift, front and rear, sitting a little high in the back because we're anticipating an interior build. It's got some extra capacity in those rear springs. Lots of upgrades on this thing. So it's got our FB003 front bumper with a bunch of Baja design pouring on it. The Warren winch. Got our OBA plug there. Anderson plug, front receiver, Factor 55 thimble. It's got our Agency 6 Ujoint Offroad fair lead. This is the first brush guard that we've done on our bumper. We played with a few different designs. Customer requested it. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it turned out pretty cool. We may or may not add it to our product line. We're unsure right now. The headlights are from our buddies at Vantage Optics. Always get a lot of questions about them. Got some hood louvers. These are some medium hood louvers from hoodlouver.com. The first thing we did was a paint job. It is a Toyota Tundra color. I believe the color is cement gray. Popular color these days. Looks really good with all the black accents. Got some flares from Bushwhacker. We spent a lot of time on the frame of this rig. It did come out of Ohio. Usually stuff from Ohio is just really, really rusty and nasty. This wasn't too bad, but Rob did spend probably 2 or 3 days cleaning and prepping the frame. Up front, we've got a Stage 2 front Dana 60 with the Spintech hub conversion and the SSBC calipers and rotors. 456 gears, Detroit True Track, crossover steering, all the usual suspects for us. The wheels are from Fuel. They are 20s. There you can see the SSBC caliper pouring, mile marker hubs. The tires are from Yokohama. I have these on V4 and I really like them. It's the XAT in a 35, I think they're 1250 20s. Yep, 35, 1250 20. We sent, after the body shop, we sent it out to Rhino Line and you get the rockers coated. So that goes all the way around the back and the other side. These are our aluminum side steps we make in-house. Got a high top, a 24-inch high top from Fiberine, and we built a custom roof rack on top of that. The roof rack has 200 watts of solar on it and some load bars and max tracks and a little storage tray in the back. The customer wanted the load bars, be able to open the max fan with something on the load bars. Lights on the rack are also from Baja Design. Those little guys there, got one on each side and in the back. It's got our overload airbags. It's got our onboard air system. We sent the tranny out for a full rebuild. And once that was converted to full drive and rebuilt, we put the NV271 behind that. You can see the air tank and the air compressor for the OBA. So you see some train horns hiding over there. Exhaust is from our buddies at Diamond Eye. 1350 CV drive shafts, front and rear. And I'm spitting out a lot of stuff here. Rear axle is a Sterling 10.5. 456 gears, of course, with an aux locker. Rear bumper and ladders are from our friends at Illumines. Got a deluxe box here too. We made this little tray, if you want to call it, or deluxe box hat. Just add a little flare to there, so in case you got stuff you don't want in the deluxe box, it's kind of nice for wood or anything real nasty you don't even want to put in your box. LED tail lights. These are made by a company called IPCW, I believe. We get them on Amazon. Super easy. There's the black Diamond Eye tip. This thing does have an auxiliary fuel tank. We didn't touch it. It was already on the van when it got here. And we've got a 10-foot Fiamma awning. Here's the passenger side of our side steps. And what else have we got going on with this thing? Inside, we've got an S-Pod that controls the lights and the OBA. So we've got our big Baja designs. And lights there. We did some A-pillar gauges. So we've got a boost gauge, trans temperature gauge, and a pyro EGT gauge. See if we can get this light on here without washing out. Plenty of light, looks really good. Those LP9s are super, super nice. All right, well, I hope I covered everything. This extensive build. This thing is gorgeous. It's gonna get used in the California desert, up in the Sierras, which is where I'd like to be right now. And that's it. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, do that. I post daily shop updates of what's going on in the shop. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email, chris@ujointoffroad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.